Think about it. For so many people, the 9-to-5 grind feels like a never-ending loop. It's a routine that can suck the life out of you, where each day seems to be about just getting by, earning enough to survive. It's what people call the rat race, running but never really getting anywhere. But here's the question. What if you didn't have to keep running? What if there was a way to break free, a way to live life on your terms? The trap of active income. Most people are stuck in what's called active income. You put in hours, you get paid. But here's the catch. As long as you're trading time for money, you're limited. Whether you're working minimum wage or a high-paying job, there's always a cap on what you can make. And if that job disappears, so does your main income, putting everything at risk. This dependence ties people to jobs they may not love, leaving little time for things they actually care about. Financial freedom, on the other hand, opens doors. Let's look at how to make that shift. Escaping the rat race. To break free from the 9-to-5 grind, you need a new approach to money. This means building income that doesn't rely on constant effort, getting smart with saving, and shifting your mindset to prioritize freedom over just buying more stuff. Let's dive into each step. 1. Building passive income streams. The main key to escaping the rat race is creating passive income, money that keeps coming in without needing constant work. Unlike a regular paycheck, passive income isn't tied to the hours you put in, so you're earning even when you're not working. Here's how to get started. A. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a great way to start earning passive income. These stocks come from companies that regularly pay part of their earnings to shareholders, so just by holding these stocks, you get a steady income. Plus, if you reinvest the dividends, you can grow your returns over time. To get started with dividend stocks, research companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Consider using a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, to automatically buy more shares with your dividends. Diversify across different industries to reduce risk. Real estate and rental income. Real estate is another powerful way to generate passive income. While buying property might seem expensive, there are now options that make it more accessible. Fractional ownership platforms. These let you invest small amounts in real estate projects and earn a share of rental income. REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without directly buying property, paying dividends from the income generated. If you do invest in rental properties, be sure to understand the local market and plan for things like property management, vacancies, and maintenance. Digital products. Digital products are assets you create once and sell over and over. Think eBooks, courses, software, printables, or stock photos. Once you've made the product, it requires little to no upkeep, making it a solid passive income stream. Getting started with digital products, eBooks, and courses, share what you know about a topic you're passionate about. Software and apps. For those with programming skills, develop software that solves everyday problems. Stock media. If you're into photography or design, sell your work on sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending connects you, the lender, with individual borrowers. By lending out money, you can earn interest over time, but there is some risk involved. So it's smart to spread your investments across different loans to lower the chance of big losses. To start with peer-to-peer lending, choose a reliable platform. Find one with a strong reputation and risk management. Start small. Diversify across different loans to manage your risk. Monitor performance. Keep an eye on your investments and adjust your approach if needed. Each of these strategies allows you to move away from depending solely on a paycheck, helping you step closer to financial freedom. 2. Strategic savings and budgeting. Building wealth isn't just about making more money. It's about managing what you have and making smart choices. A solid plan for saving and budgeting can free up money to invest in passive income. Here's how to get started. A. Establish a savings buffer. Creating a savings buffer or emergency fund is key for stability. This cushion covers unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs, so you don't have to stress if your income changes. Try to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living costs. B. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Cutting back on non-essential spending can boost your ability to save and invest. Track your expenses for a month, then see where you can trim. Some common areas to start: subscriptions. Cancel any memberships you barely use. Dining out. Cook more at home to save money. Impulse buys. Wait a day or two before non-essential purchases to curb impulse buying. Create a goal-based budget. Your budget should reflect what matters most to you. When setting up a budget, put a portion of your income towards savings and investments before anything else. This method, known as paying yourself first, helps you focus on your bigger goals. Invest in your freedom. Think of your savings as more than just a backup plan. See it as an investment in your future freedom. The money you save and invest today will help you build passive income streams, so one day you're not dependent on a paycheck. 3. From daily grind to financial freedom, shift your money mindset. Practical steps like building passive income and budgeting are essential, but a shift in how you think about money and work is just as important. Here's how to make that shift. A. Rethink how you see money. Instead of viewing money as something to spend on stuff, see it as a way to buy back your time. This perspective shift will make it easier to prioritize investing in passive income over spending on short-lived pleasures. B. Cut out distractions. Achieving financial freedom takes focus. Identify activities that eat up time but don't add real value, like endless scrolling on social media or watching hours of TV. Cutting these distractions will free up time for what truly moves you toward your goals. C. Think long-term. Understand that escaping the rat race doesn't happen overnight. Set realistic goals and timelines, and don't get caught up in comparing yourself to others. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, because each step brings you closer to financial independence. D. Build resilience. You'll face setbacks, like a bad investment or an unexpected expense. A resilient mindset will keep you on track. Treat challenges as learning experiences and keep your eye on the bigger picture. The point of transition: experiencing financial freedom. The moment your passive income covers your living expenses is when real financial freedom begins. At this point, you're no longer tied to a 9-to-5 job just to get by. Now, you have the freedom to spend your time as you choose. Whether that's traveling, diving into hobbies, or starting new projects without worrying about money. But financial freedom isn't the end of the road. Once you reach it, keep building. Diversify your income streams and look for new opportunities. This will not only secure your future, but also give you even more options on how to live your life. Practical steps for implementing the plan. Here's a simple action plan to help you break free from the rat race. Start small, start now. Pick one passive income stream like dividend stocks or creating a digital product. Put time and resources into making it grow. Set financial goals. Create short-term and long-term goals. Start with building an emergency fund, then focus on investing in passive income sources until you can replace your active income. Cut unnecessary spending. Look at where your money's going and cut back on anything that doesn't add real value to your life. Reinvest earnings. Take the income from your passive streams and reinvest it. This helps you grow your earnings faster and gets you closer to financial independence. Educate yourself continuously. Keep learning about personal finance, investing, and passive income opportunities. Staying informed helps you make smarter financial moves.